Okay, we're going to just do a little practice with square roots that we've done in the past, and I'm going to show you something that we haven't done this year on square roots. So first of all, we're going to go through the square root of 4. And if you remember square roots, 2 times 2 equals 4. So yep, the square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 25. We know that 5 times 5 is 25. So we're going to put in 5. Square root of 144, this one's a little bit bigger one. If you don't have that list, that's fine. But I know offhand that 12 times 12 equals 144. So I would say that's 12. In the past, we would get something like this, like the square root of 80. And we'd say, we're done. We don't know anything else. We can't get anything else out of this. Well, I'm going to break this down and kind of show you a couple ways that we could do this. But we can break it down even further. One of the things I thought about doing is just doing a fact family. So I know that 8 times 10 gives me 80. I know that 8 can break down into 2 times 4. And remember, if we can't break down a number, we kind of circle it. And that 4 is 2 times 2. Okay, 10. I got 2 times 5. Oh, okay, we're done. Well, here in 80, we can see that I have multiple sets of 2. So I have one set of 2. I got another set of 2. So what we can do is we can say that we can take 2 sets of 2 out of there, or that would be 4. So I would say that this would be 4 radical 5. To kind of break down, there's another way that I can do this, and that is there a perfect square that goes into 80? So I would write down some of my perfect squares. So we know that we got 4, we got 9, we got 16, we got 25, we'll go up to 36. So can 4 go into 80? Yes. Can 9 go into 80? No. Can 16 go into 80? So I'm just going to put yes, no, yes. 25, no. 36, no. So I would look at my highest one, 16. So I can take out the square root of 16 out of 80. The square root of 16 is 4. 16 times 5 equals 80. So therefore, whatever's left over is that 5 that goes inside. So it would be 4 square root 5. Kind of the same thing that we had. So just kind of giving you an idea of a different way to do this. So we're going to do 60. And again, we can do the fact families. So we can take 60 and I can say, okay, this is 2 times 30. Okay, circle the 2. 30. I get 5 times 6. 6 is 2 times 3. Okay, so if I look at this, I got a set of 2 out of there. So I can take out a 2 out of there. And what is left is 2. And I would have 15 left because I got the 3 and the 5 and the 3. So square root 15. The other thing, again, what we can do is we can list our perfect squares. 4, 9, 16. I don't think I have to go further. Does 4 go evenly into 60? Yes, it does. Does 9? Nope. Does 16? Nope. I can go 25? Nope. 36? Nope. So I need to take the square root of 4 out of 60. That gives me 2. So then once I take 60 divided by 4, and that would give me 15. Okay, some of these won't break down at all. So the square root of 23 actually would stay the square root of 23. So just kind of a little video showing you, we had stuff like this before, and I told you we would go over it. In fact, that was my plans for that very first Monday that we missed in class, and we didn't have a chance.